Alright, so got called out to an emergency call. Fire department was here and all that stuff. Black smoke inside. Went in through the ducts. Some nasty burning smell. And basically belt snapped. Bearings came out. Pulley basically almost completely out. Wheels all damaged, rubbing up against metal because of the rubber burning. This pulley on the motor got damaged. If you just give me a second to pull this thing out, I'll show you the cause of it. Ah, crap. There we go. And this is what happened. That bearing completely fell out and broke. Spider is completely damaged. Maybe due to some vibration or something over time. Finally gave out. Shaft is damaged. So we're gonna have to rebuild this whole thing. I guess the motor can stay. We'll leave them that.